guys, we're back in the studio. We have a lot to get into today, man. We're going to be focusing on their LAU program as well, guys. Liquidity as utility. Many articles on that we're going to dig into. And it's just they're doing it all, man. So here you see their main focus, bringing online privacy to the end user. They're doing so efficiently and sustainably. Again, guys, very high level team. Had the honor to actually speak to some of them, see what they're all about. And these are top of the line guys, people with a lot of experience in the field and have worked at many other well-known places and brought all of their skills and assets to Spiderdao. So we love to see that, man. And here it talks about to mitigate the shortcomings of current DAO frameworks, they've actually stepped in, guys. So this is a key component right here. Seeing there's a problem in our crypto space, in this situation, the DAO frameworks, and actually getting involved. So they stepped in, they leveraged the multi-layered governance setup based on hardware and software tools on top of fair, resilient software-based DAO built on Polkadot. And guys, if you look at some of these, man, look at some of their partners, you'll know what they're all about, man. So you see some huge names in the space, from Fire Protocol to Moonrock Capital to Frontier. Everybody wants to work with these guys, man, and it's all within good reason. So we love to see it, man. We love to see it all the way around. We're just going to cover a quick overview of the project, what's into it. So here you guys can see the issues that I was speaking about earlier, what the problems were. You have plutocracies, you have the rise of dark DAOs, guys. So if you don't know what that is, they use smart contracts to undermine trust in voting systems by accumulating voting rights for market manipulation. And that's a horrible thing, man. But unfortunately, it's something that we deal with in the crypto space. You have exploitable governance, so we know how that goes, man. The end user isn't as safe as they think they are, and that actually leads to a point where they can get exploited very, very easily, man. And again, Spiderdao comes in, changes the whole game up, man. They have a dual governance model which bundles together hardware and software tools, guys. So they have both frontiers covered, the hardware frontier and the software frontier, and they actually do that with on-chain elements. They provide a well-resistant governance solution. It's underpinned by the Polkadot consensus mechanism and will utilize a network of hardware routers deployed by DAO participants as a ticket for election voting, guys. So again, here it gives you the whole step. And again, guys, just to actually tell you a little bit more about this router, it's very beautiful, man. It's called the Spider Connect router. It has a sleek black look to it. Hopefully in the future we're able to have one and show it on the channel, but it's awesome stuff, man. But again, with the router plus SPDR, the user ID, that equals the DAO vote, man. So those three components equal the DAO vote. We love to see it, boys. We love to see it all the way around. You have hardware enabled DAO voting processes, which we spoke about, and it's just a model, man. The model is made to make it more challenging for large entities to disproportionately influence the elections without incurring significant costs, because that's a problem, man. That's a big problem in today's space. They actually have so many advantages, and a project like Spiderdao steps in and says, no, man, we're here, we're doing it right. And again, they also have access to decentralized VPN services. We talked about the privacy aspect, we talked about the security aspect. You have to have a top of the line VPN, and they actually have that. They're integrating Spider VPN, which currently has over 6,400 international active users. A lot of people are getting involved over there because the level of privacy and security they offer is unmatched, guys. Other projects are not offering this level of security. So of course they stand out, and of course they take the lead against competitors. You have Spider Vault as well, so that's a very interesting aspect of it. It's created to accumulate 2% of crypto proceeds generated by services utilizing the Spiderdao, and again, the first of which is always Spider VPN, and just so many features, man. It tells you a little bit of the Spider dashboard features. You have Spider Market, so that lets you actually sell and buy bandwidth for SPDR. You have governance, voting and proposing on features. You have hardware, future products, VPN rewards, liquidity mining, wallet. We love to see that stuff, man. And it's the cornerstone of the Spiderdao ecosystem. It's designed to capture value creation within the network and enabling the development of a fair, robust, and self-sustaining ecosystem. So again, guys, the token token actually does a lot. You have liquidity mining, you have governance, you have access to different dashboards, and it's awesome stuff, man. And then we're going back to the Spider Connect router that I'm talking about. Man, it looks like this sleek black. You guys have to see it, man. Hope to bring that on the channel in the near future. With that, you have DVPN access, you have bandwidth monetization, you have access to the dashboard, and all of those pros are actually given to you, man. Again, it's fair. Anyone with certified Spider Connect router can participate. And the way it's all set up, man, it's an ecosystem. It's an ecosystem. Very awesome stuff, because again, with ecosystems, it makes everything much more efficient and effective. You don't have to go to different places to use different features. They're all in one place, and we like to see that, man. From the core team developing Spiderdao products to the Spider VPN, bandwidth marketplace, these guys have a lot going on, man. You have staking as well that we're going to get into, liquidity mining, the Spider Vault, and guys, look at the roadmap. They have so many things planned for this year. They have the DAO launch, Polkadot testnet. Boys, you heard it right, Polkadot testnet. You have deep development of the DVPN OpenWRT plugin. You have the testnet of Spider DVPN. So again, a lot of stuff happening, man. You can bridge ERC20 to Polkadot. You have DAO dashboard releases, and again, the Spider DVPN launch happening in Q3. So we're very excited for that to happen. That's going to be absolutely huge, man. And when you look at that, the router is actually here. Look at this thing, man. It looks like it's out of a goddamn movie. It's awesome stuff, has many features, offers multi-layered privacy techniques. It has a kill switch to protect against any traffic going through whenever the VPN is disconnected, and a lot of people on the team, man. If you look at the leadership team, you have Nathan Vardy, you have Ziga Fleas, Anas Sayed, the CTO, and I'm talking about this, man. These guys are very, very well experienced. You can click on their LinkedIn and actually check out their experience. It's mind-boggling, man. Some of the things these guys have done, some of the things they have accomplished, we love to see it, man. And if you haven't had all your questions answered by this point, they have an FAQ section right over here, man. Any question you may have very easily is answered. What is Spiderdao? What is a DAO? Any question that if you actually have, man, make sure to check that out. But let's get to the topic, boys. I told you guys we're going to be talking about the LAU program, the focus point, liquidity as utility, guys. So if you go over here, you can see it, man. Check your VPN access, complete VPN access form, download VPN access, and you're good to go, man. So again, these guys are also on Telegram and Twitter. Very exciting stuff over there. And you just put the ETH address you're mining with, and we love to see that, man. And here's just the article on Medium telling you about liquidity as utility, the LAU program, and here it's talking about how the private sale distribution is almost done. So if you're a token holder of the SPDR token, you are in a very good place, my friend. This SPDR token, the potential of it is unreal, and the LAU program, man, it's doing a lot. It's a unique approach to tokenomics. They center their rewards around LP tokens so the token holders can provide more liquidity to SPDR tokens, and again, from there, guys, they get rewards. A lot of projects that succeed, they put incentives for the token holders, which is exactly what these guys are doing over here. Here it talks about the rewards that are two types. It's discussed in detail below. You have LAU further explained. The LAU program works like this, and users can stake a pair of SPDR ETH or SPDR USDT tokens. Tells you all about that, man. The second reward you get is free access to Spider VPN. It's a sister company that provides unmatched VPN services. The criteria are that the user must stake a pair whose total worth is $500 or more. So again, guys, the topic's running. You see everybody talking about them on Medium, and it's rightfully so, man. You have liquidity mining as well. Any SPDR token holder can participate in the LAU program, and from the dashboard, they can view their total rewards, their balance, the current numbers of tokens in utility, and the APY return rate in real time. So again, man, very, very exciting stuff. We took a look at this. Here's the Spider Nest guide, guys, really telling you how to do it. So this link will actually be in the description, guys. So you go to the site, stake.spiderdao.io, you connect your wallet, Very easy to do, man. And then you choose a wallet to connect. In my case, I'm going to do MetaMask as well, guys, when we look into it. And then you select the nest. In this situation, they're talking about Goliath, so you can see the different type of nest over here. So you have the red back nest, you have the tarantula nest, you have the black widow nest, the Goliath nest. And look at these numbers, man. Look at the APY, 36% APY, 70% APY, 60% APY. These are some huge numbers, man. If you compare these to other asset classes as well, it really blows your mind, man. And then from there, you do the confirmation and you're ready to go, man. You hit the stake button, pulls this up on your MetaMask, and you get started, man. You get started, and it tells you the withdrawal date, man, exactly when it's gonna be. And we love to see it, boys. Tells you exactly how long it's going to be staking for, when you could withdraw, and it's awesome stuff, man. Again, these guys are absolutely killing it. We talked about the Spiderdao voting service. It's very awesome stuff, man. You have the Spider Nest live as well, and it's the whole concept enabling SPDR tokens. And again, they are locked up for whatever time that you choose, and it tells you exactly what the APY is, man. So we love to see it. We're very excited for it. It's just awesome stuff all the way around. So if you guys look, man, if you want to click on the distribution program, this is the thing I was talking about. So in this situation, we're fully connected. My MetaMask is connected. I can do USDT, I could do Ether, I could add liquidity, put the amount in, approve SPDR, and I'm getting started, man. I'm getting involved with the distribution program that I spoke about earlier. You confirm it and you get started, man. We love to see it. Very simple, does not overcomplicate things. Here's the Nest program that I was talking about as well. So as you guys can see, connect your wallet. We went through the walkthrough, guys, exactly how to do it. So different ones over here. You have the red back nest, the tarantula nest, the Goliath nest, the black widow nest. And it's like, look at these, man. If you're looking at it for a long-term investment, and guys, keep in mind, 1 year isn't even long-term like that. It's just 365 days. Long-term investment is more 3 to 4 years. You can get 80% APY on this, man. And with that, you're given 24-month VPN access. You have Spider Connect router, tells you the requirements. You have a minimum lock of $500 to get those awards. And again, makes it very reasonable, man. You have a lock of $200 if you're looking on the 30-day aspect, and more, guys. So we love to see it. It's very entertaining stuff. And the fact that all of this is at a click of a finger, you can also do the token claim, the router claim, also on Uniswap, boys. So some of the biggest names in the space, man, trading on Uniswap. You get a free VPN as well if you want to get involved over there. I've seen VPNs that are not 1/10 of this, guys. Not even 1/10 of the security that these guys are offering, being charged $30, $40, $50 a month. And these guys are offering that service for free, man. And we love to see it. You also have the token claim, guys. Once you get involved, tells you exactly how many tokens are available to claim. And we love to see it, man. Look at the different programs. You have the mine. You could stake, whatever you want to do, man. But first thing first, always connect your wallet before you get deep in and you get involved, man. Connect your wallet, very simple. I showed you guys how to do it with the MetaMask, and it's just amazing stuff, man. You have a full-on ecosystem, man, from the SPDR token, from the way they actually enable security, they protect the end user. They have so many different programs going on, from staking to mining. And guys, this will be in the description. Links will be in the description. And we love to see it, boys. We love to see it. They're really focused right now, and it's awesome stuff. And keep that in mind, man. For everybody who chooses to pair $500 worth of SPDR to Ether, SPDR to USDT, and provide liquidity on Uniswap pool, you get a continuous VPN subscription for the duration of the stake. So going back to that free VPN, we love to see it, man. It's 2 birds, 1 stone. It's very awesome stuff, boys. So again, Spiderdao ecosystem, that's the place.